Hi everyone, and welcome to our series. In this series, we'll be covering the fundamental concepts of relational databases and also how to design and implement them using PostgreSQL. We'll start with the relational model and then we'll move on to the basics of the relational database design. And then we'll dive into SQL language, then we'll learn about different SQL queries and functions. We'll also be covering the use of various geospatial data types and their functions in SQL. I would also explore how databases can be integrated into systems. We'll start by discussing the basic concept of relational databases, including tables, rows, columns, and keys. Next, we'll be talking about the process of designing a relational database, and basically that involves creating an entity relationship diagram that's called an ER diagram. It basically shows the relationship between entities in your database. We'll also talk about how this relationship are represented. We have one-to-one relationship, one-to-many, many-to-many relationship. We'll talk about how this relationship are represented in the entity relationship diagram. And finally, we'll be discussing about the importance of data validation and adding constraints to help with the integrity of the data in our database. And by the end of the series, you should have a basic understanding of relational data model and basically how to query with SQL and do some geospatial analysis with PostgreSQL. So tag along with us, and it will be an amazing ride.